another flag dance that we're going to learn, and again, it can be used to any 4/4 time music. It's kind of a praise flag dance, so it's a little bit quicker in tempo. And again, you can use these movements to any song, and I'm using the names of God. So as I describe the certain movements, I'll be using the names of God in the movements. So just follow along and enjoy as I do it. The entrance starts with your flags way up high. And you want to keep them straight up and let it trail behind you as you go down the aisles, as it were. So you're just walking down the aisles and see how the flag kind of trails behind you. And what I tried to purpose in this dance is to utilize the movements of the flag so that they can be best seen and, most appropriately viewed. So you'll see different angles that work well for the flag. So after your introduction, and you've gone from side to side, back and forth like this, and you come to your place, then you do kind of a whoosh around, right? And, bring the flags up. And then you're going to go side to side and do that about 4 times, I think, 3 and 4. Then the first part is Holy Father. So it's circle around, and then circle the left arm continuously, then bringing both flags together. We're going to create like a crown. And a crown, I just kind of pictured it going up and around like that. So let's do that again. So it's Holy Father, and circle the left arm around, and King of Kings. Then we'll do You're the Creator of everything. So you take your flags and just kind of wave them up and down as you turn to the right. You're the Creator of everything. Then, Ruler of Heaven kind of circles around to the left. So after you've done around like this, it goes Ruler of Heaven, and then comes down to the left and flip it over, Ancient of Days. Forever, always is kind of a diagonal, and as you do that, you're going to turn around. Forever, always. Then you bring your left arm up. We give you praise, and you spin around. Then it repeats from the beginning. Holy Father, circle around, King of Kings. You're the Creator of everything. Ruler of heaven, Ancient of Days. Forever and always, we give you praise. Then is the chorus. You're going to cross your right arm over, cross your left arm over, open your right arm, open your left arm. Cross right, cross left, open right, open left. Crisscross and crisscross like that. But that is the movement, but it looks much better if you turn sideways. Then you see the full view of the flag, which makes it look really nice, right? So you do that a few times, and then you, boom, go down, and you're going to reverse the direction with just a twisting of the wrist, basically. You wing it around backwards with your wrist. And then you bring both legs up, and you're going to go, I pictured kind of 2 lines, one line going in one direction and one line going in the other direction for the musical interlude, like that. And then you come back center, and then it starts the second verse. And the second verse, you would do Judah's Lion. So the feet are just step together step with a point. Let me do the feet again. The feet go step right, feet together, step, and point. So the step together step, like step together step, little hop. Now the flags for that is just a circle and up, like that. So it goes circle and up. So with the feet and the flags, it's circle and up, and then you bring your elbows in, and your flag is kind of a V, and you spin back to the other side, back to center again. And then it's drag across like this, and then kind of down like that. So it's cross and down. Then we make a cross. That's right, our feet come together, we make a cross. And then you lunge with your left foot and your arms come up in a V. Then, a strong deliverer, you would bring your flags down and strong deliverer, like one who is merciful. Their greatest desire is to remove one's root cause of distress. So whenever I think of mercy, I think of, uprooting something like that. So that's kind of like even deliverance, delivering, pulling something up. So if it's a strong deliverer, it's like pulling up and around. And then my daily bread, you just circle it around, and then let your right rest on your shoulder, your left arm is out straight. So then it goes back, we can do the crisscross again, only you might want to do it turning sideways, like that. And then you stop it going forward and reverse direction, circle around. And you can have some lines facing one way and some lines facing the other way, so it adds more interest. And then one line goes in one direction and one line goes in the other direction, kind of like that. And then you combine the Holy Father and the Judah's Lion. So it goes, Holy Father, circle around, King of Kings. You're the creator of everything. Ruler of heaven, Ancient of days, forever always. And then put the left arm up, we give you praise. Then it goes, Judah's Lion, the great I am, the Holy One of Israel, the precious Lamb. Savior, lifter of my head, strong deliverer, my daily bread. And then do the crisscross again. And then go this way, or the other way. And then stop it and go reverse direction. And arms up. And then here. Now, then there's a series, like the first line would do something, the second line would do a different pattern, third line would do a different pattern, fourth line would do a different pattern. So some of the lines are facing directly front and some of the lines are facing side to side. So directly front, the first line would do over the head and circle it in front of your body. It's over your head, circle it in front of your body. This is what it looks like facing front. It's over your head and circling in front of your body, over the head, circling in front of the body, but it's simultaneous. So it's like a here, 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 like that. Over the head and circle in front of your body. Over and circle, right. Nice, good. Okay, and then line 2 would do something facing the side. I'll demonstrate facing front first. So it's arms up. So it's 1, 2, drop it down, 3, 4, circle 5, 6, come up, 7, 8. 1, 2, circle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, circle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. That's line 2. Except you would do it facing side. So sideways it has a nicer effect. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, and up, and 1, 2, down, and circle, and up, and 1, 2, down, and circle, and up. Okay, and then line 3 would simply just go side to side, side to side. And so this is what it looks like. It's side, one flag kind of in front of the other, to side, and side, like that. And the last line would simply do the circle backwards like this. And so you can do any combination thereof. You can do the first line doing, 8 counts, and the second line doing, joining in later, like in a succession, and then finally the third line while the others keep going. There's a lot of variety there of how you want to mix it up. So let's try it to some music. Ready? Here we go, and walking in. And try to cross each other a little bit. Trade places, cross each other. And again, hold your flag straight up in the air. Flag straight up in the air. All right. diagonal circle, and praise. Then crisscross, crisscross, turn sideways, and 5, and 2, and 1, and stop it forward, then circle around backwards, circle, and bring it up, and trade places, cross each other, cross each other, and cross each other, and go back to your spot, and second verse is circle around, up, spin around, straight in front, and down, big cross, cross, and up high, and deliver, and feel the red, here, and forward, and turn sideways, and forward, and turn backwards, and bring it up, cross each other, trade lines, that's it, nice, pull this leg straight up here, and go back to your spot, now climb to first, pull the Father, King of Kings, you are the creator of everything, ruler of heaven, ancient of days, forever and always, praise, to climb, to the hand, Holy One of Israel, precious land, Savior, lifter of my head, strong deliverer, daily bread, and crisscross, and turn sideways, and bring it down, circle backwards, and hold it up, one last crisscross, hold it straight up over your head, hold, straight up, not curling arms, hold straight up, hold straight up. All right, back here, ready, over the head, start to do, over the head, and ready to start taking, over the head. 4 more, 3, 2, and up high, 1, 2, down, circle, and let's turn sideways and try. Ready, and 1, down, 2, circle around, 3, 4, circle, down, circle, and up, down, and circle, up, and down, circle, up, and 2 more, down, circle, up, and down, circle, up, and let's go here, and here, and here, and here, and 2, and 1, and then backwards, 5, 6, lift up high, and go and exit. Exit, weighting in and towards the back. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and the concepts that were in it. I hope you enjoyed the dances and the patterns and the steps and things with flags, and that you find it helpful for your dance ministry. If I had had more time with the group, I would like to have taken, especially the praise dance, and done patterns within the group. That I would recommend, though, taking these patterns that you learned and try to incorporate, front line going back line going front, trading places, doing things in succession. They say one of the best choreography tips is to not do a solo with more than one person, meaning if everybody's doing all the same thing all at the same time, then the others are not needed. So
it's good to have variety in your choreography, and have spatial changes, level changes, have some people in the front go down on their knees and others in the back standing and things like that. So the purpose of this video was to give you patterns and steps and ideas for movement, but I would encourage you to take it a step further and create patterns within the group itself.